In this lesson, we will learn about the Rotate3d CSS function of the transform property. The Rotate3d CSS function defines a transformation that rotates an element in multiple directions at a time. It makes a 3D rotation on the X, Y, and Z axis. Welcome to our CSS lesson. Here I have written the CSS for a 3D cube. These are the bunch of div tags for all sides of the 3D cube. Now before we get into the 3D rotate function, let's look at rotate X, rotate Y, and rotate Z. We can add here the rotate X, rotate Y, and rotate Z at a time. So the Rotate3d function is pretty similar to this. However, it consists of 4 values X, Y, Z, and A. The first 3 values can be in numbers, and they are the X, Y, and Z coordinates of the vector denoting the axis of rotation. The fourth value A represents the angle of rotation. It can be in degrees or turns or gradients or radians. If the angle value is 0, it is okay with this 0. You can also add here the unit degree or whatever the angle unit you like to use. If the angle value is more than 0, it should be always followed by the unit of angle. For instance, we can add here 20 degrees. But not 20. To see the rotations more clearly, I'll show the Rotate3d function on hover. Let's remove these. Add here this class name 3d followed by the hover. Then add transform Rotate3d. Oh, here it is rotating too fast. It looks like some kind of flipping object. So let's add here transition all 3 seconds ease. Now we can see here the rotation very clearly. The X value will rotate the element on the X axis. Here the positive value rotates the element from the bottom to the top direction, and the negative value rotates the element from the top to the bottom direction. The Y value will rotate the element on the Y axis. Here the positive value rotates the element from the left to the right direction, and the negative value rotates the element from the right to the left direction. The Z value will rotate the element on the Z axis. Here the positive value rotates the element circularly in a clockwise direction, and the negative value rotates the element circularly in a counterclockwise direction. Let's add here cursor pointer. Now the element has rotated by 30 degrees on all the X, Y, and Z axes. Guys, check out the description below to learn more about the Rotate3d function. That's it. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.